In a shocking turn of events, millions of gamers worldwide found themselves locked out of the PlayStation Network, PSN, once again.
But this wasn't just an ordinary outage.
Some are calling it a cyberattack, while others believe it could be the start of something far worse. Could this be a repeat of the 2011 PlayStation hack that compromised 77 million accounts, or is there something much more sinister at play? Is this a coordinated cyberattack, a massive failure in Sony's infrastructure, or something even bigger? Today, we dive deep into what caused this outage, its impact, and what it means for you as a gamer. PlayStation Network began experiencing massive failures earlier today. Users worldwide reported issues logging in, making purchases, and even launching games they already own. Sony has yet to provide a full explanation, but one thing is clear: this isn't just a minor hiccup.
This time, the outage is more widespread, affecting PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and even some of Sony's cloud-based services. This outage follows a disturbing trend in recent years where major digital services, including gaming platforms, face increasing disruptions.
Whether due to technical malfunctions, cyberattacks, or infrastructure failures, the reliance on online connectivity makes every outage a significant event.
What's more concerning is that these outages seem to be happening more frequently. And it's not just PlayStation. Disruptions have been reported in Microsoft's services, Steam, and even banking apps.
Is this part of a larger, coordinated cyber threat, or are these outages mere coincidences? The question of whether PlayStation Network is under attack leads us to the broader issue of cybersecurity in the gaming industry. With billions of dollars at stake, gaming platforms have become prime targets for cybercriminals looking to steal user data, extort companies, or disrupt services for political or ideological reasons. Sony has acknowledged the outage, but their lack of transparency has led to growing speculation.
Was this due to technical failures, or is something far more dangerous happening behind the scenes? Let's address the big question: could this be a cyberattack? We've seen it before.
In 2011, a devastating PlayStation Network breach exposed the personal details of nearly 77 million users.
It remains one of the largest hacks in history, forcing Sony to shut down the entire network for 23 days. But that was over a decade ago. Hackers have only grown more sophisticated since then. Could this be another major breach?
Could Sony once again be the prime target of cybercriminals?
Sony has a history of being attacked.
In 2014, a hacker group allegedly backed by North Korea completely wiped out Sony Pictures' internal servers over the controversial movie The Interview. If this is an attack, who could be behind it this time? Some speculate that infamous hacker groups like Lizard Squad, who took down PlayStation and Xbox Live in 2014, might be back. Let's not forget, hackers don't just attack for fun anymore.
Cybercrime is a billion-dollar industry.
Leaked user data, ransomware attacks, and even state-sponsored cyber warfare are all possible motives. Could Sony be caught in the crossfire of a much larger cyber war? In recent years, nation-states have been accused of sponsoring cyberattacks on corporations and infrastructure as part of geopolitical conflicts. The question arises, could Sony's outage be linked to a much larger cyber espionage campaign?
With global tensions rising, state-backed cyberattacks are becoming more common.
Could this outage be linked to international cyber espionage? If Sony's PlayStation Network is vulnerable, what does that mean for other tech giants? For the average gamer, this outage isn't just annoying, it's a massive disruption. PlayStation Network is the backbone of multiplayer gaming, online purchases, and digital libraries. For streamers, content creators, and professional gamers, this outage could mean financial losses. Imagine being a competitive esports player preparing for a tournament, only to be locked out of your account. Imagine a YouTuber trying to stream the latest game, only to find PlayStation Network completely unresponsive. The consequences go far beyond simple inconvenience. So, how is Sony handling this crisis? As of now, they have acknowledged the issue but have not provided a detailed explanation.
Their silence is fueling speculation and frustration among gamers.
Sony's history with handling cyberattacks hasn't always been reassuring. After the 2011 breach, they took weeks to inform users about what had happened. Are we seeing a repeat of the same pattern? This event highlights a major issue: the security of online gaming networks. If a giant like Sony can suffer such disruptions, what does this mean for the future of gaming? With hackers getting smarter, gaming companies need to step up their security measures. PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, Steam, and others must take proactive steps to ensure their users are protected from large-scale breaches and unexpected outages. While Sony works to resolve the issue, here's what you can do to protect your gaming account. This adds an extra layer of security to your PlayStation account. If PlayStation Network has been compromised, it's best to change your login credentials immediately.
Hackers often send fake emails or messages claiming to be from Sony. Always verify before clicking on links.
If hackers gain access to PlayStation Network, they could also access stored payment information. A virtual private network, VPN, can help protect your online activity from cyber threats. As Sony scrambles to get PlayStation Network back online, one question remains: are we doing enough to prevent these attacks?
This outage should serve as a wake-up call not just for Sony, but for the entire gaming industry.
With cyber threats becoming more advanced, companies need to prioritize security before it's too late.
The future of online gaming depends on it. What do you think?
Is this just a temporary outage, or is there something bigger happening behind the scenes?
Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep gaming. As cyberattacks become more sophisticated, artificial intelligence, AI, is playing a crucial role in cybersecurity. AI-driven security systems can detect and respond to threats in real time, offering a level of protection that traditional security measures cannot match. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify suspicious patterns before an attack occurs. AI can react to security breaches instantly, limiting damage and preventing further infiltration. AI can forecast potential vulnerabilities and help companies strengthen their defenses proactively. Could AI be the answer to preventing large-scale cyberattacks like this in the future? Or will hackers find ways to outsmart even the most advanced AI systems?
One thing is certain: the battle between cybersecurity and cybercrime is far from over.
Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.